How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram and make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Instagram application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then completely delete your app and reinstall the app again. So, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. You will see the Remove App option. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. Now, in the pop-up that appears, tap on the delete option again and then open App Store and in the search bar search for Instagram and then reinstall the app again and wait for the download to complete. Once completed, open the application and use the application further, and your selfie verification should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.